Recording? Okay. Okay, you guys want to see it now? Should I show them it?
Yep.
Hopefully this doesn't leak anything.
I don't. There ain't nothing on. Tell them it's Bluetooth sunglasses.
Bluetooth sunglasses. It's really good. It has speakers on it that can move. Even has buttons. The middle one, if you hold down the middle one, it will shut off. These two buttons are the volume.
Let me see it real quick.
And it can do this. And also when you put it on, it looks like everything's black.
Put it on.
Oh. See? That's a good one.
He looks like he's FBI.
No, I'm not. These speakers send out the sound.
Let me see him real quick.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Alright.
What do you like about them?
I like the speakers, the buttons, and I like how this can do it.
Show them you can pull the headphones out one.
Pull the headphones like this?
Yeah. I'll pull them straight up.
Like this.
Yeah.
Is that better?
See, they're adjustable.
And they're extendable.
They're pretty good glasses. How much did you pay for them on Temu, Tevin?
It was $10.37, I think.
Tell us what you guys think of these kind of videos in the comments. See you next time. Say it.
See you next time.
Adios.